really good player, but also one of the youngest players. Both these boys from FC Goa are very young, and the header and the goal, a very simple, almost casual set piece routine over there as the ball is crossed in, and he sneaks in that goal at the far post. It is 1-0 to FC Goa.
Ben07 did not see this coming, 400% sure, because
Forced into a save of any note, and Afnan looking to change that though. He's got Ronaldo at the edge of the box, and Pele. He's got the opening and goes for goal. That is an incredible shot. Afnan taking the shot from a very tight angle on the weaker foot of Pele, using the apology celebration. That seems to be a theme for the FC Goa boys. Yeah, and taking his time now. I think now he's in a pretty comfortable position. Looking for that ball in. He has Mbappe, takes the shot, and it is 3. That is brilliant. Afnan is absolutely tearing it up today. Don't apologize for that, son. That has been from his teammate as well. And he will have his own corner as well. SC's Bengal, of course, have been one of the kings of the set piece. Now with Mbappe, can't quite get the cross in. He's got Pele in there. Now Eusebio has to turn and take that shot, and he does. I think that took a slight deflection on the way in, but an excellent time for SC's Bengal to get that goal back going in. Now only 2 goals down at the stroke of half-time.
so might as well go for a try. Maybe miss out on a couple of chances, but maybe the 4th and 5th will connect. But looking at how he's going in,
Ben07 hasn't been given a lot of the ball. I think that's been a part of the effort. There you go. Great pressing again from Afnan. And now he's got that 2v2. He's got Ronaldo. He's got Pele in there. Surely has to take the shot, and he does. It's as easy as that for Afnan Amin. And he gets his goal. It is 4-1 FC Goa. Playing in a LAN environment in the ISL is just so completely different. It's mentally, you prepare yourself completely differently. The input delay and everything is very different, and a bit of a physics fail over there, you would have to say, for FC Goa rather. And Ben07 able to capitalize, and still it's not over. It's 4-2 with 20 minutes to play, so the job isn't done yet. Ben07 still clinging on in this game, and if he can somehow grab a goal against all odds, and he might just, and he has, it is 3-4. Could the comeback be on, and will Afnan ever smile again is the question. I think he's going to be looking back at the footage and saying, why did I smile, man? Why did I smile? I've gone through this entire tournament without smiling, and it's been working great. Still trying to attack. He desperately wants that goal and has the opportunity now with Ronaldo. Don't overthink it. Take the shot, and that surely is the game for Afnan. Huge sigh of relief, a shake of the head to, sort of showing his disappointment that he let his opponent back into the game, but
this game, it's almost over. Even if SC's Bengal managed to score 1, the game is done already at this particular point. But
what's going on? Oh my goodness!
It has gone in! Oh god! What did we sign up for, Azim? This is one of the goals that should have never happened, but here it is. EISL drama is boiling up.
Yeah, that's probably the comedy goal of the tournament. It's the goalkeeper taking out 2 players and the defender taking out a defender. Is just absolute.
With the way things have changed, but look at SC's Bengal go, especially Pele from the right wing is passed on to Ronaldo. This was the perfect time. He could make an entry, and there you go. Ronaldo making that shot connect, and SC is Bengal. They're 1-0 up, and they're roaring with pride right now.
I thought he had made the turn, but then just second guessed himself. He's found Pele with the header, and what a save by Van der Sar, pulling it out of the top corner. But the pressure is not over yet. It's a corner. Ankit Gupta specializes in these, and he has the header and the goal for Gullit. It's 2-0 SC's Bengal, and V Sharma now has a long road back.
Oh god, the reminiscence of the first match is clearly visible, but this time for SC's Bengal, as alright, now things have started to heat up a lot, and again it's going to be Ruud Gullit this time for SC's Bengal. He's making it happen.
The Northeast United FC boys, and he managed to find a solution to that problem. But Ankit Gupta, you can see surely this is a goal. The instinct is brilliant. It's 3-0, and it's a role reversal of what we've seen in that last game. V Sharma lost in thought at the moment. He can't quite believe what's happening, but it's no surprise Ankit Gupta in attack is absolutely phenomenal, and he is making it happen, and he is dragging SC East Bengal right back into this game. Whereas Beno 7 was the guy who's generally looking at it and again winning that ball up really high. Now Ronaldo, and he's got Matthias in there, wins the header. How has that gone in?
No.
V Sharma is absolutely stunned. I am stunned because nobody expected there to be a goal from Lothar Matthias heading that ball past Van der Sar, and it is unraveling massively for FC Goa over here. They are now 4 goals down with V Sharma and Ankit Gupta. We started questioning, because he got his big performances. I think that's probably offside. No, it's not. And Messi surely is going to go finesse, and he goes for the top corner. That is out of this world. Ankit Gupta, you absolute beauty. And the celebration as well. He is running riot here.
Yeah, this is devastating. As one of their best players, or rather the best player, V Sharma, he's struggling. But again, Ankit Gupta has taken him for a ride, and again nets one more. It's 6-0.
Half a dozen for Ankit Gupta yet again. It's not the first time. No time to be sad. It's a fresh start. It starts again at 0-0, and this is the absolute decider, and that's not what you want to be doing. A cheap giveaway immediately, and surely he's going for a chip. That is audacious.
No.
That is Ankit Gupta continuing the momentum from the last game, and shell shocking for FC Goa over there. That was just insane.
That is it, right? Right from minute 1, if you've got SC's Bengal going after you like this, and FC Goa, they are trying to buy out all the time in the world, searching for that right opportunistic moment to strike, because SC's Bengal, this could be it, and this time they do not shy away from taking this shot. As we head in, the points have been equalized, the goals have been evened up, it's 1 each.
The patience over there paying off, you have to say, for FC Goa. You could see they kept keeping the ball, and this is a pattern that I was noticing, that defensively they've got their mojo going again. And we see now Ronaldo bursting into that box part, delaying that cutback a little bit too much. Have sorted themselves out again. Now with Ronaldo and Pele, what are we going to see over here? Going for that finesse shot from the edge of the area. Now with Ronaldo, has the shot, and it is into the top corner, and at the absolute screamer, Sue goes Ronaldo, and Sue goes SC East Bengal. It is 2-1.
Wow, again, the boys are striking. They are, the stadium is pretty much erupting. Imagine this were the real Hero ISL. Alright, this is what we signed up for here.
Player sliding into oblivion at the left side of the pitch over there, and now he has the opportunity. Surely he will play in Ronaldo, and this is a huge moment, and that should be that. 3 points almost certainly in the bag for SC East Bengal.
Those replays of all those goals, they're kind of starting to get frustrated, and that is the sign of defeat, right? FC Goa, they kind of got done for, but still, trying to make maybe score
This
a
is
few
a chance.
goals.
Has to score now, surely. Okay,
there you go. Beautiful.
Game is still on, and yet another corner. They're playing this out. It's proper professional game management, I would have to say, for SC East Bengal, and I think they've earned the right to do this. They've been put through the mill, and they have given us